Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will share you how you can create your own AI animation avatar video using ChatGPT and latest AI tools. So you can go to my channel and you can see I create lots of AI animation book summary videos I created. So in this video I will share you how you can create your own AI animation book summary video. So I will create this type of book summary video. So first, if you are new in my channel, first you subscribe now and watch my last video. And next I will go to Leonardo.Ai and create my character. So first you can go to Leonardo.ai, link available in the description. So you can go now and I can go to my home dashboard and you can see Leonardo.ai use stable diffusion models and create your character. You can choose feature models and you can create your character. So lots of feature model available here. So you can choose any related to your character just you like. So you can create now your character and you can search any recent creations in trending section. So you can see if you are interested to this character, so you can choose Albert Einstein character and you can create now. So you can copy this, promote and go to with this model, generate with this model Leonardo diffusion, and you can go and create now. But in my video I will choose another character, for example, and I choose Albert Einstein, Barack Obama character, and I will create related this character. So I can copy this, promote, you copy this, promote and go to with this Leonardo diffusion model. So I go now and you can promote your paste your promote here. So I will paste now and select promote magic, and most important thing, image dimension. So you can select right dimension. So see now 640 add 32. So I select 640 add 30, and after selecting your image dimensions you can create your character, generate now, and you can see wait some time and after your character is ready. So in my video I already created lots of characters, so I'll choose for example this. So I use this character and create a video. So I download now, I download this character. After downloading this character, next I will create my script related to my book summary video. So I will go to amazon.com, link available in the description. So you can go now and you can go to books and choose your books, any book you choose based upon your choice. So you can create a summary. For example, you can see lots of books available here. So I will choose this book and create a book summary. You can copy now this book name and go to your ChatGPT account and create a create this book summary. So I will go to my ChatGPT account and input book and book name, author name, and give me a book summary of this book with chapter. So, and ChatGPT provide a full book summary. So you can copy now this book summary. So you can copy and create a video. So my character is ready and my summary is ready. Next step, you create your video. So you can go to did.com. It's a AI tool, so you can create your, you can use this tool and you can create your character to video. So I will go to did.com. If you don't have an account, so you can go to free trial version and create your account, go to guest and login and sign up and create. Now I already created the account, so I will redirect my dashboard. So you can see I redirect my dashboard and you can go to create video section. So go now and select your character. So by default lots of characters, so you can select now another option you can choose your own character. So I already created, so I click now, add now, and upload my own character. So I upload now, and you can see my character is ready. Next you can your script. So I already create my script, so you can copy this script and paste here, and you can see your script is ready. Choose your language, choose your voice. So for example, if your character female, so you can choose female voice, and another if your character is male, so you can choose male voice. For example, I choose male voice. And character style, for example, I choose friendly, and you can listen.
Title: Secrets We Keep, a novel of love, loss, and redemption. Introduction.
So you can see, and your script and your character is ready. And another option, you can choose audio section. So if you have a own audio, so you can upload here and generate now. So I already my script input here. Next we will generate now. So you can click now, and you can see your video in generate process. So you can click now and generate now. So I already generated this video, so I go to my video library, and you can see my video is ready. So I click now, and you can see.
Hello and welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials channel. I am Barack Obama, but not the real one, just a...
So you can see my video is created ready. Next step, I will edit this video and create. So next I will go to Reid.io, link available in the description. So AI tool, so you can edit your video. So I will go to sign up now, and go to, if you don't have an account, so first you can sign up now. So I already have an account, so I will log in now. So I go to my dashboard, and you can see I go to my vid.io dashboard, and you go to new video and create a project. So I will create now. And you can see select your video. For example, I select any background just you like, but in my case, for example, more videos. So I will related technology, so I will choose this background video. So I select now, and next you can upload your own video just created. So I go to media, so I go to upload section and upload my last created video. So you can see new created video, and my video is uploaded. So you can wait some time for your uploaded complete, and you can click this video section, and you can go to remove background section, but your video is uploading, so you can wait some time for waiting for upload to finish. So after uploading your video, you can remove video background. You can see
Hello and
your video is ready. So I will resize now. It's perfect. And next you can remove background, but video is not complete, so you can wait now. You can copy this background and reset more time. I select my video and remove background, and you can see background removing. You can wait some time and you can put your text here, AI animation video, and another text here. So for example, I will go to text here, and I can choose my headline title, select AI animation video. You can select as a bold and select as size, edit now, bold now, choose a color. Just if you choose any another color, but white is correct, so you can write now, and you can see your video background is removed. And next you can, so I click. Thanks for watching this video, and select all, resize now, and you can see, and
Welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials channel. I am Barack Obama, but not the real one, just a digital version of myself created using advanced AI technology by Monoin.
so after completing your video editing, so you can go to export section and export now, and export your video, and you can wait some time for your video export. So if you need any help related to this, you can comment now and ask me. And if you are new in my channel, first you subscribe now, and you can see your video is in preparing section. So after completing this, you can go to download section and download now. And thanks for watching this video.